Buckle up, adventurers, because this countdown is all about the best truck bed tents that transform your pickup into a ready-for-anything campsite on wheels. From quick setup to weatherproof comfort, these picks are built to handle mud, rain, or starry skies without sacrificing storage or trunk space. Today, I'm going to be going over the best truck bed tents that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the JoyTutus Pickup Truck Tent 2. This model is built for drivers who want a reliable, weather-resistant base camp that folds into a compact, transportable package. The 2 iteration improves on the classic JoyTutus concept by delivering a higher-grade waterproof layer, commonly rated around P1000, which translates to strong rain protection without adding unnecessary bulk. The outer shell uses a high-denier fabric that resists abrasion from rough bed rails and handles abrasion from road debris during travel. The rainfly is generously sized, extending far enough to shield the door and vestibule from wind-driven spray, while the inner tent features a 2-layer construction that balances warmth and ventilation. Setup remains straightforward. Unzip the carry bag, unfurl the tent over the bed, align the color-coded poles with sleeves, then secure the poles with the hub or corner joints. Fiberglass or aluminum poles snap into place with a satisfying click, and the whole frame is stabilized with a handful of guy lines and stakes that anchor into the bed edge or the ground around the tailgate. The interior layout is intentionally roomy for 2 adults to sleep side by side with room for small duffels or a sleeping pad. Interior pockets help organize flashlights, chargers, and small tools. Floor liner provides a dry barrier from moisture rising from the bed, while mesh vents on the sides keep air circulating on warmer nights, reducing condensation. Design also includes a roomy vestibule area, which can be sealed to store muddy boots and wet garments away from the sleep zone. Many users praise the edge of the tent that sits just above the tailgate, which creates an integrated step space for easy ingress and egress. The tent is compatible with a wide range of pickup bed heights and bed lengths, commonly fitting mid-size and full-size trucks with beds in the 5.5 to 6.5 foot range, though individual fit may vary with bed rails and wheel wells. Portability is a clear strength. It packs into a carry bag small enough to stow behind the seat or under back seat, and the included organizer straps keep the setup tidy during travel. If you are chasing quick weekend getaways or spontaneous overnight stops, this tent delivers both convenience and resilience in a single package. Compared to the Napier Backroadz, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the JoyTutus Pickup Truck Tent 2 emphasizes faster setup and compact storage, whereas Napier Backroadz tends to offer greater interior height and a broader sleeping surface with a slightly heavier frame. At number 4, we have the Napier Backroadz. This classic truck bed tent has built a strong reputation for combining practical use with durable materials that stand up to weekend camping as well as occasional long trips. The Backroadz design focuses on maximizing interior space while maintaining the integrity of the rain shield, featuring an integrated floor and tapered walls that create a generous sleeping area for 2 people. The fabric is robust, with a water-resistant shell and reinforced seams that prevent seepage in light to moderate rain, while the breathable inner layer reduces condensation build up under damp or humid conditions. Setup requires a straightforward sequence of steps. Lay out the floor with non-slip underlayment, thread the fiberglass or alloy poles through the color-coded sleeves, then secure the corners to the truck bed rails with straps and clips. The setup is designed for durability in wind thanks to a broad, stable base and strategically placed tie-downs. One of the Napier advantages is the height clearance. Even with the tailgate closed, there is a comfortable ceiling height to sit up or reposition in the sleeping area. The tent's walls are designed to breathe, reducing the tendency toward a stuffy environment during warmer nights. Screen mesh window on each side provides good airflow while keeping insects at bay, and the outer rain fly adds an extra protective layer during heavier showers. Storage pockets and a small gear loft help keep essentials within reach without cluttering the sleeping space. The design is well suited for standard short bed trucks, and the overall build quality supports repeated use across many seasons with minimal sag or sagging hinges. While it is heavier and takes longer to pack away after a trip, the trade-off is a proven, reliable shelter that many outdoor enthusiasts trust for road trips and off-grid detours. Compared to the JoyTutus Pickup Truck Tent 2, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Napier Backroadz emphasizes interior height and a more modular rainfly approach that can adapt to variable weather at the cost of a slightly... At number 3, we have the JoyTutus 2. This version carries forward the reliability and design ethos of JoyTutus with refined materials and careful attention to the user experience. The fabric remains rugged and weather-ready, with a water column rating that is competitive for truck bed tents in this class, commonly around P1000, offering solid protection against rain while maintaining a breathable interior. Two designation signals improvements such as reinforced seam taping and a more tactile zipper system that stays smooth under cooler temperatures. The interior is optimized for two sleepers with a flat, comfortable sleeping surface, but the layout also includes pockets and small hooks for headlamps, water bottles, and a compact battery pack, ensuring everything has its place. Assembly is designed to be efficient, with fewer component pieces and an improved color coding system to speed up the initial pitch. The rainfly doubles as a canopy over the door, and it can be rigged to shed wind from a cross breeze if you are camping in exposed areas. Ported vent system helps balance moisture and heat, so the interior stays comfortable across a wide range of night conditions. The floor is water-resistant and integrated to prevent dampness creeping in through the ground, a feature that much of the audience appreciates on early morning awakenings. Those who value quiet camping on a windy hillside, the structure is engineered to resist flapping and sagging by using tensioned corner anchors and sturdy pole rings. This model is typically compatible with mid-size and some compact trucks, but as with all truck bed tents, fit can vary by bed height and tailgate length. For two travelers, it provides enough personal space without feeling cramped, while the rainfly can be extended for an extended living area with a shaded porch feel. Compared to the Go Himmel pickup truck tent, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the JoyTutus 2 leans toward rapid setting and compact storage, while Go Himmel tends to produce a slightly larger footprint with a blockier setup that might require more time to level and anchor. At number 2, we have the Go Himmel pickup truck tent. This contender is designed to pair strong waterproofing with straightforward assembly, making it a dependable choice for campers who want to get set up quickly after arriving at a site. Go Himmel build features a P-1000 rating, a durable outer shell, and a robust rainfly that adds extra shade and weather protection. The interior is laid out for two sleepers, with thoughtful pockets and a small gear loft that keeps essentials within easy reach. One notable design element is the integrated floor system, which provides a dry sleep surface even when the ground is damp or uneven. The floor is seam welded and sealed to reduce seepage and to offer a stable base on uneven bed surfaces. Setup involves aligning the color-coded poles with sleeves, followed by staking the corners to the bed rails or the surrounding ground, and then expanding the rainfly to seal the shelter from wind and rain. In many conditions, the Go Himmel model balances weight and capacity well, giving you a practical shelter that does not overwhelm the truck's storage space. The door and vestibule are designed for quick entry and exit, with an easy-to-operate zipper system and a fly that helps protect the doorway from rain splash. Ventilation comes from mesh panels that allow cooling air to circulate while keeping insects out, a feature campers will appreciate during humid summer nights. Durability is a consistent theme, with reinforced seams, robust zippers, and high-quality stitching that hold up through repeated camping seasons. Go Himmel tent is especially popular with mid-sized truck owners who want a reliable, affordable shelter for weekend trips. Compared to the Golub's truck bed tent, which I have included as number 1 on this list, Go Himmel offers a lighter footprint with a slightly more compact interior, which translates to faster setup but potentially less headroom when groceries and bags are piled into the sleeping area. At number 1, we have the Golub's truck bed tent. This model closes the countdown with a blend of value, straightforward design, and practical performance that makes it a strong pick for budget-minded campers who still want a solid shelter on their pickup. The Golub's unit emphasizes a user-friendly, push-to-pitch concept that many shoppers find appealing for its quick setup. It is designed to unfold and pop into place with a minimal learning curve, aided by pre-attached poles or an integrated frame. Waterproof coating, typically rated around P-1000, provides rain protection without sacrificing airflow, thanks to mesh vents and a breathable inner layer. Sleeping area is comfortably sized for 2 people, with enough room for 2 sleeping pads and small packs to tuck along the sides. The tent includes a simple floor liner that keeps the sleeping space dry and a vestibule for gear storage when the weather improves or worsens. Setup times are typically shorter than traditional truck bed tents, making this a nice option for travelers who value speed and simplicity. The frame is designed to resist wind gusts and maintain shape, with reinforced corners and sturdy anchor points that stay secure even when camping on uneven ground behind a tailgate. Interior features small pockets and a ring for a lamp or lantern, contributing to a tidy organization of essentials. The Golub's tent also appeals to those who travel with a 2-person crew and want a shelter that does not demand heavy lifting or complicated rigging, which makes it particularly friendly to newcomers. And comparing to the JoyTutus pickup truck tent 2, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Golub's emphasizes compact packing and speed of setup, often at the cost of some interior height, while JoyTutus prioritizes a slightly more spacious interior and a more elaborate rain shield system aimed at harsher weather conditions.